Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to exit a parking lot. This will be a very simple beginner driving lesson, so let's get right to it. I'm going to first start off by telling you what to do, then I'll show you myself exiting a parking lot a few times to really demonstrate it for you. So first and foremost, when you get near the exit of the parking lot, you want to start slowing down and figure out where you have to stop. Now, if there's a sidewalk, you want to stop before the sidewalk, okay? If there's a walkway, any type of area where pedestrians will be walking, you want to make sure that you stop before you hit that area. The front of your bumper should be stopped before any area where pedestrians are walking. You also want to make sure that you have your signal on, that you check your mirrors, that you check your blind spots. You're looking for traffic, pedestrians, and obstructions. You're looking for anything that will prevent you from exiting that parking lot safely, okay? For the safety of yourself and everyone else and everything else around you. So with that being said, once you know that it's safe to proceed, you can go ahead and exit the parking lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make my way to the exit of this parking lot right here. And I'm going to demonstrate it for you, okay? So let's go ahead. I'm making my way to the exit. It's straight ahead. There are a couple of pedestrians walking right in the middle of the parking lot right now. I don't think they know. Okay, so now they're moving to the side. So now I can proceed. So I'm going ahead, making my way. That's why I was slowing down, just so you know. Now making my way to the exit of the parking lot. There's a sidewalk. I'm telling you what's happening. There's a sidewalk. So I'm going to stop before the sidewalk, okay? I'm stopping before the sidewalk. Making sure that there's no pedestrians. I'm going to put my right turn signal on because I want to make a right over here. I'm moving forward now to the edge of the parking lot exit. Checking my mirrors, my blind spot, no pedestrians, no traffic, no obstructions. Now I go ahead and I exit the parking lot. I make my turn. That's the first, that's how it is. That's the first demonstration of it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn around over here. And we're going to demonstrate it again, but I'm going to go ahead and make a left-hand turn instead of a right-hand turn. Let's go ahead. We're going to go back to the same parking lot. We're going to make a left-hand turn out of that parking lot into another parking lot, and then I'll make one more turn for you to finalize this video, and just so that I've demonstrated it more than a few times. So I'm back in the same parking lot. I'm going to just turn around so I can go to the exit once again. Gonna have to pull quite a few three-point turns in this video, but everything is good. We're gonna be making a nice, good, clear, and concise video. All right, I'm approaching the exit again. I'm gonna put my left turn signal on because I know that I'm making a left. I'm stopping before the walkway. Complete stop, looking for pedestrians first and foremost in the walkway. There's no pedestrians, no obstructions, so I'm moving forward to the edge of the exit of the parking lot. No traffic, no pedestrians, no obstructions. Check my mirrors, check my blind spot. I'm good to go. There's actually a car right there, so I'm gonna wait until that car passes. Go ahead, because I'm going into that parking lot where that car is actually exiting out of. So we're kind of, both turning into each other. So I'm gonna let that person go just to make it nice and easy. All right, so we're good. So I made my left-hand turn. Now, once again, I'm just going into this parking lot just to demonstrate it one more time. So we're gonna go into this parking lot, and then I was making the left and the right turn onto a side street right there, but I'm actually going to be turning right now onto a main street. So that's what I'm going to do over here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and move forward. Now I'm going to make a right-hand turn onto the main street just for the sake of time, simply because there's quite a bit of traffic. So to make a left-hand turn might take me a while. So it would be the same process. It would just be more looking for traffic because I'm crossing across lanes of traffic. So my right-hand turn signal's on. I've stopped before the walkway. Nobody's here, so I'm going to move forward. Okay. Now I'm basically at the edge of the parking lot right over here. Okay, and I'm going to exit the parking lot. I've made sure, check my mirrors, check my blind spot. There was nobody there. No cars, no pedestrians, no obstructions. So you make your turn. And that's basically it. Now, I've seen some people slow down towards the walkway or the sidewalk, and then they see that there's no pedestrians, so they just kind of roll right through it. I don't recommend doing that. I've seen many people do it. I can't speak on the legalities of it with regards to whether it's legal or not. I don't know that, but I do know that it's not a great idea. And I mean, everybody does it from time to time, so I'm not saying that it's a horrible thing, because you know, if you make sure that there's nobody and you roll through it, you're not causing any damage or any harm, but it gives you less time to check. So that's why I would recommend stopping before you hit that sidewalk area and then proceeding forward. And that's basically it. In this video, I have gone over how to exit a parking lot. It has been a very simple tutorial. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.